Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I'm going to show you how to calculate net present value by using two different ways. The first method that I'm going to show you is by using an Excel formula method, and the second method by using discounting factors. So where the yearly free cash flows will be discounted by using yearly discount factors. So those are the two methods that I'm going to discuss in this video. So let's dive into the session.
Let me take an example. Let's say number of years from 0 to 5 years. Let's assume the project life is 5 years. Then let's take the cash flows, free cash flows, and let's assume the initial investment, the cash outflow as $1,000. Then the subsequent cash inflows, let's assume 150, $200, then $250, $350, and $450. Okay, so these are assumptions. You have cash outflow in the current year. Then subsequent years you are given the cash inflows. Then let's assume the cost of capital as, let's assume the cost of capital as 10%. This is a discounting factor, cost of capital. By using this 10%, now we need to identify the net present value. Okay, so I mentioned in the beginning that I'm going to show you two ways to calculate the net present value. So this method I'll be using the formula, Excel formula method, net present value. We can use this NPV formula. As you can see, you have to select the rate, then the values. The rate is the cost of capital. By using 10%, we need to discount the entire cash flow. So let's take 10%. Then you need to take the present value of the cash inflows first. Okay, the present value of cash inflows first, because the present value of cash inflows are given from the year 1 onwards. Okay, so you can't take the year 0, which is the current year, into the calculation. So you don't need to calculate the present value of this cash outflow minus 1000, because this is already the present value. Okay, so this is already the present value, so therefore you don't need to discount this 1000. Then to calculate the net present value, you need to take the total cash inflows, okay, plus the plus in the sense the minus your cash outflow. Then you will get 7.95. okay, 7.95 is the net present value. So this is the first method where you can calculate the net present value. The second method, okay, so this one I can say the first method by using the formula method. Then the second method, okay, so in the second method what you can do is you can straight away you can use the discounting factors. Okay, discounting factor. So to identify the discounting factor, since year 0 is the current year, so therefore the present value is minus 1000, therefore we have to take the discounting factor as 1. We'll take this into 3 decimals. Then year 1, what we can do is to calculate the discounting factor, 1 divided by, within bracket, 1 plus the discounting factor, which is the cost of capital, 10%, to the power, we have to take the power of 1. Since it is in the year 1, we have to take the power 1. So that you will get the discounting factor as, we'll take it to 3 decimals, 0.909. Now if you drag this, you will not get the answer. So therefore what we need to do is we need to fix the rate. We need to fix the rate, which is D6. We need to fix the rate. You can put the dollar sign. You can put the dollar sign. If you fix the entire cell, the D6, then you can drag this cell until year 5. Then you will get the discounting factor. So now simply what you need to do is you need to take the net present value, which is the discounted, or else you can say the present value of the free cash flow. Present value of the free cash flow will be minus 1000 times 1, which is the present value. Then we can drag this so that it will take 150 times 0.909, 200 times 0.826. Likewise, you will get the total cash inflows over 5 years. Now you take the net present value, which is the sum of all the cash inflows and outflows, so that you can see, which is the same as the above 7.95. So this is the answer. Okay, so these are the two methods where you can calculate the net present value by using the formula method. So in the formula method, what we did, we used the NPV formula and we took the rate and the present value of the subsequent cash flows. Then to that cash inflows, we added the current year cash outflow, which is minus 1000. So thereby we arrived at 7.95 net present value. In the second method, what we did, we calculated the discounting factors for each year by using the cost of capital. So every year what you need to do is 1 divided by 1 plus the rate, the cost of capital rate, to the power 1. So since this is in the year 1, we took the power 1. So likewise you can take the power 2 until year 5 power 5. So thereby you will get the discounting factors. Then you identify the present value of all the free cash flows. Then we have to take the net amount of the cash inflows and cash outflows. So this will be the net present value. So these are the two methods where you can calculate the net present value. Okay, so that's it. I will conclude the session. I will see you soon with another video. Until then, bye for now.